Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 41. An estimate of income and expenditure of a country for a period of 1 year is known as A. Balance of payment, B. Balance of trade, C. Budget, D. Revenue, E. Visible trade. So we're looking at what an estimate of income and expenditure of a country is known as. So let's look at the definition of each of the options given to us. Now, a balance of payments is basically a statement of all transactions made between entities in a country and the rest of the world over a given period of time. Then balance of trade is the difference between the monetary value of a nation's exports and imports over a time period. Now, budget is an estimate of revenue and expenditure of a country over a specified period. Now, revenue refers to the income that a business or country, as the case may be, has from its business activities, and these business activities are usually sales of goods and services. And then visible trade basically refers to exchange of physically tangible goods between countries, usually in the form of import, export, and re-export. So from the definitions we have given, we see that option C, which is budget, refers to an estimate of revenue and expenditure of a country over a specified period of time, and that is roughly the same with the option the question given to us, the definition given to us in the question. So the correct answer is C, budget. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.